my channel. Today we are doing a family vlog. We are going to Charleston. We're going to the beach. So I'm going to bring you along with me for that. Also, today is a special day. Today is Father's Day and our 1-year anniversary. So that's exciting. Obviously you see all of the gifts up there. But I'm just going to show you what's in our bag, what we're bringing, and all of that fun stuff. If you watched my last vlog, I showed you guys this bag, and I'm just going to show you what we are bringing. Obviously this bag holds a lot, and it's very lightweight with everything that's in it. But in this bag, we just have some beach toys for Ryan. This to keep him safe and close by. A snack bag with waters and snacks, and an extra sippy cup, extra change of clothes, our towels, and yeah, that's all what we're bringing with us. We also have Ryan's diaper bag. It's in the car though. But the next thing that I'm gonna show you guys is us opening Colin's Father's Day gift.
Yeah. Yeah. I think you're so great, and that's why I could hardly wait to tell you on your special day 3 words I really want to say. I love you. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Thank you, kind love. I love you. You did a kiss? No? Okay.
That's going on your nightstand. And that's why I never put a picture on your nightstand.
Okay. Now it makes a little bit more sense. I felt lonely.
We are getting ready to leave to go to the beach. We are stopping at McDonald's to eat some lunch. Our first stop. We're in Somerville, and Ryan is back there sleeping. And yeah, we made it to Charleston. Ryan is in the back eating chicken nuggets and french fries. But we made it. I think we're going to Folly Beach first to go check that out, and maybe Sullivan's Island later. Made it. We are about to change Ryan into his swimming clothes. But yeah, we made it. Yeah, it's really pretty.
What you building, Ben?
A sandcastle.
A sand castle?
A sandcastle. And Ryan's gonna knock it down.
Probably.
We made sandcastles. Ryan's gonna destroy it. The tide came in. There goes our sandcastle. Hi, Bubba.
Water. Oh, good throw.
Just got done at the beach. We're leaving. I think we may go find some food, but we are heading back home. Ryan had a lot of fun. And yeah, we made it back home from Charleston. So I'm going to close out this video here. He is sleepy and we all need showers, obviously. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on our post notifications to get notified the next time we post. We'll see you next video. Bye.